Hello students, I think all of you are fine, no? So after many weeks, we'll meet you again for the class 9 portion. Today I'll teach you. As of you know, my name is Mr. KP Bakchi. I'm teaching in GRU school. I'm in profession in mathematics last 27 years. So I'm basically PGD in maths. So today I'll give you teaching about polynomials. I think I already given you some knowledge about polynomials till the factor or remainder theorem. Now we'll come to the under polynomial the main topics which will be carried out in your life, that is factorize. Okay, so we'll start today with factorize. Okay, factorize. What do you mean by factorize? Factorize is you have to produce two or more factor from a factor. For example, if I write here 6, how many factors we can make it? You have to produce 6, 2 or more, product of 2 or more terms, 2 or more numbers. Like there's a factor. Like if I take LCM 6, what will happen? 2 3s are 6. So we are getting 2 into 3. See, the 6 can explain product of two digits. So that's why the 2 and 3 are called factors of 6. Likewise in algebra also we can able to make some factors. Clear? So before you start factorize, we have to know some what you call terminologically. We have to know some things. So that I am telling you now. Look at here. Suppose you have to go for the first part of the factorize is taking common. Taking common. You know common? What is taking common? You have to take it out some common term from the 2-3 terms which is made in the 4 fundamental operation. What is 4 fundamental operations? Plus, minus, multiply and division with the algebraic expression. Clear? So for a look at example, if I write here 2x plus 4y. So taking common, first you have to think, the taking common there is a criteria. First you have to think the number. Number 1 is number, you have to take in common or not. Number. Then next one, first you can make sign. Sign is common or not. Then second number and third is alphabet. Okay. That is the criteria to taking common. So look at here, when there is same sign plus, basically plus, no need to take common. Is assumed there is a plus. So only the common term means, common sign means minus sign has to be taken common, minus, okay. But here plus, no need to take sign common. Is automatic, it is inbuilt, we can say. Now think for number, which number is common? Common means which number are available in both the places. Like 2 means 2 into 1. And 4 means 2 2s are 4, that means another 2 is there. So we can take 2 common from these 2. That is you learn from class 8. So 2 I take common, so it is remaining, and after taking common means what? Is a division, is just like a division. Look at here, another way, 2 I take common, that means these 2 I have to divide here. Like 2x by 2, cancel it, you get x. Then their sign is, no sign means plus, plus into plus, plus. Okay, the same thing you have to divide here. So look at here, if I write 4y dividing by 2, we can cancel, 2 2s are. If there is a 4 plus y, we cannot cancel. It's 4 into y, that's why we can cancel. So we'll get 2y. So that is called, this is the 2 terms we are getting. See, from there we can get 2 into this factor. So they are called factorize with the taking common. Okay, understand taking common? Now we have to go for grouping. Number 1 is taking common, number 2 will go for grouping. Clear? Now grouping. What will be grouping? You have to make there are so many terms, you have to make them a group and take common. Then it will be continue with this. Clear? So I'll give an example. I write here 2x plus 3y, then we can say what, minus 4y, or here it is minus 6x, or 3 2, okay, 6 2x minus 3y 6y, and this 6y, suppose 6x, sorry. Now we have to make them a group. So group means x you can make them group. You can easily control. Here it is how much, these two group, how much, 2x minus 4x you can take, and here it is how much, minus y. So these two are different sign, you have to subtract. Who is bigger? 4 is bigger, that sign. And this 6x and 2x, how much it is? Minus 4x. Now here we can take minus common. So it is minus 1, minus 1 you think, minus 1. So it will be divide, minus minus cancel, 4 ones are 4x, minus minus cancel, plus y. So this is also a factorize. In other also there, other also we can make it. So I'll show you another example. If I write here ax plus by, then minus say cx, and if we take minus cx, this ay, you make it ay minus cy. Okay. Now here all terms are different. Ax, there is no ax. Ay, no ay. No term is common. Now we can take a group. So look at here, I'll make the group. I'll take ax and cx. Write first. Ax minus cx. Then I'll write this one x. This will be right. Which one you have to write? Each one write ay and minus cy. Now we have already arranged and a group. I consider this one is one group and this is another group. Now from this group you have to take common. What is to take common? X. Then it is a minus c. I take common means cancel c. Then plus y take common. Then it is a minus c. Are you clear? So now again you can find these two are common. You know, there are two terms. Here one term, here one term. A minus c common. The group is common. So you write the common term a minus c. Common means division, I told you. Then you cut this one. If I take common, it will not be there. That means what is left here? It will be left here x. Again plus sign. You take in common. This will not be there. That means just like this. You can imagine like this. You can imagine like this is not there. You're taking common. So what is left? X plus y is left. See, x plus y will be left. Then you write again here. What is there? X minus, what do you call, a minus c. Then also a minus c. That means this one you take common, which is here, and remaining part will write here. That way also you can do the factorize by grouping. Clear? Then we will come to the applying formula. How to make a factorize with applying formula. I'll come to the next part. Now formula. Look at here, formula. What is the formula? First one, we used to know a plus b whole square formula. What is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. And very interesting part is there. Many a time, if I ask you what is the formula, many students can tell. But if I ask you how you got this, they don't know. Now teachers told, that's why you write, but I don't know how it's come. I'll show you today how this line is coming. This, look at here, a plus b whole square. What do you mean by whole square? Same term 2 times, like 2 square. What do you mean by 2 square? 2 into 2, 4, isn't it? So like here, a plus b whole square means that also just like a 2, a plus b, again a plus b. 2 times the same number which have square, that one to be multiplied. Now how to multiply? Last time I showed you rainbow method or FOIL method. FOIL means what? What is the meaning of FOIL? F-O-I-L. F for first and first to be multiplied. O means what? Outer. This is outer and outer. Okay, this outer and this outer. Both outer multiply. inside I, inside, and last, this term last, that also you can say foil, or we can say rainbow. Look at it from here, this is also called rainbow method, you can say. So now a square, a into b, ab, again b into a, you write ba or ab. Why I am writing ab, ba same? Because I am writing ab as alphabetical order, first a then b, clear? Then b into b plus b square. So what will be that? A square ab plus ab is 2ab and plus b square. See, the same term, like terms we can add, unlike terms we cannot add. It's ab just like a one mango, another mango, two mango. AB just like a mango, is not it? So that, look at here, we got the same answer. So this is the way we can get. Likewise, in the same process, if you do the another formula, a minus b whole square. Look at it, if it is right minus here, what will happen? This 2 is okay, but this sign will be a into b minus ab, b into a minus ab. Then it will be how much? Look at this, the dark part. I change the sign here, no? I change the sign here. So if it is a minus b, so it is minus ab, and this will be minus 2ab. Others are same. So what you can write here? A square minus 2ab plus b square. This here, look at the square term, not negative. This also plus, but only the product term is negative. Are you get my point? So this is the formula you can apply. More formula I'll show you. Now number 3, look at number 3, another formula. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. Okay. Same term but different sign. Look at a, b, same term but different sign. How to multiply? You apply rainbow method. A into a square. Listen to this. A into minus ab, b into a plus ab, and b into minus b plus minus b into b square. Now look at here, minus ab plus ab cancel, no? So how much you get? A square minus b square. This is, we cannot say plus because whatever the number, that before we can consider the sign. So what are you getting here? A square minus b square. This is the formula we established by multiplying. So a plus b, a minus b means, what is a plus b, a minus b means? A square minus b square. Clear? So one more formula. Look at here. If I write x plus a and x plus b. What is x plus a, x plus b? Same number but second term is not same. The same multiplication you can do, x into x, x square, x into b, bx, a into x, ax, plus a into b, ab. But one important thing here we can take x common. You know already common. So x I do common, it will be b plus a plus ab means a into b. Now b plus a is something like 3 plus 4. What is 3 plus 4? 7. But someone write a plus b. Are they right or not? Yes, they are right because 4 plus 3 also 7. Are you clear? So now it will be, you can comply this one as a formula, x square plus a plus b of x plus b square. This is the formula. Clear? So one more formula I'll teach you, or the square part. Now look at here, this formula number 5. So if I write a plus b plus c whole square, what will happen? This one we consider as a and this we consider as b. Now compare it. A plus b whole square. A square means this one square. So we'll write here a plus b whole square plus 2ab, 2 into a. A means this one. A plus b into c. C means which one? B. That is into b means here c. Plus b square means this one square means c square. Correct? We follow the formula. Now look at here. This formula again, this formula. So it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Are you getting it? See here, same thing I write here. And here just multiply these two. Because if I write 2 into 3 into 4, someone multiply this one. Look at this. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Yes or no? Like this. But someone say, no, I'll not do this. I'll do this one multiply first. 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are. That also get 24. Yes or no? So multiply any way you can do. Doesn't matter. Okay. So that's why I'm multiplying here. 2 into C, 2C and A plus B is there as it is plus C square. Now what we'll do? A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now multiply. This one will be multiply here and multiply here. 2C into A. What do you write? 2AC, alphabetical order. 2C into B, 2BC plus C square. Now someone write CA. Are they wrong? No, they are also correct. But I just maintain alphabetical order. Now how to rearrange this? First you write square term. A square, B square plus C square. Isn't it? Then you write 2AB. Then you write 2BC. Then you write 2CA. You may be thinking, sir, 2C is here. Why write in the last? I'll show you that. This is the way you can remember the formula. That's why I'm making in this manner. Okay? Look at here. You understand how I got it? I just rub the other part and write the formula in one go without memorize. Just use the tricks. You can remember the formula. Clear? Look at here. This is called expand something, okay, expand. Like first A square, then B square, then C square. Then you write 2, first, then after to multiply these two. What sign? Plus, 2AB, okay. Then plus, 2BC, plus, 2CA. Look at that. Same formula. So in order to keep this, if I write another one, A minus B minus C whole square. How to write? First square, A square plus B square plus C square. You might have thinking, where minus gone? Minus automatically minus plus. That's why we cannot make it that minus. Clear? So A square, B square, C square. Now multiply product. Plus into minus 2AB. Okay? Then minus into minus plus 2BC because we are multiplying these two. And third into first. Minus plus minus 2CA. That way you can remember the formula without any hesitation. Understand? First you go through the square formula. Now I come to next class. I will come to exercise questions. Clear? I think all of you understood. Please remember the formula. Then only you can able to. So this class you have to remember the formula this very. Then according to that I'll come to the problem. Clear? Thank you.